Hello, children. Today we are going to learn the letter D. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter D. D for deer. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for duck. D for doll. This is the letter D, reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. Daisy the duck found a magical doll in the water with her dear friend. They met with a playful dolphin and loyal dog. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Talk about the living place of dolphin fish. T. Listen to the letter D by watching video. E. Use Play-Doh to make a shape of D. A. Paint the letter D using finger paints. M. Count objects beginning with the sound D around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. D-E-N, den. D-I-P, dip. D-O-G, dog. Review. Look at the pictures. Tick the letter that matches the beginning sound of each picture. Duck, D. Ball, B. Aeroplane, A. Encircle the correct pictures that start with the given letters. A. Apple. B. Bear. C. Cow. D. Doll. Well done, children. Goodbye.